Volvo Service for Life. It's our new approach to taking care of your Volvo. We're out to prove that when it comes to service, only Volvo can deliver the value you deserve. Here's how. We've always been the best place for Volvo genuine parts. And who knows more than us when it comes to installing them? Now we're putting our money where our mouth is. Volvo is doubling the replacement parts warranty to 2 years on parts and labor when they're installed at a Volvo retailer. That's not going to happen at your neighborhood mechanic. We're offering complimentary software updates. When your Volvo comes into us for service, we'll make sure it gets the latest software. Check engine or other warning light? We'll check your Volvo and perform a preliminary computer diagnosis for up to 1 hour, and we'll give you a written estimate of what's needed at no charge and without obligation. If you're out of warranty, you can purchase Volvo On-Call Advantage roadside assistance at a special low price. Just $44.95 for 12 months covers your Volvo and all other cars in your family. That's added peace of mind you won't find anywhere else. Short on time? Volvo Express Service offers lots of our most popular services with no appointment necessary. Had a scrape or door ding? Volvo Certified Body and Paint delivers complete collision repairs that meet Volvo specifications. And the Volvo Tire Advantage is out to prove that there's no better place to buy your tires by offering you complimentary 2-year road hazard coverage on all Volvo recommended tires. We've got everything you need for your Volvo, and we're committed to delivering a service experience that's best in class. That's what Volvo Service for Life is all about.